Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Daka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Habajuba Jingli Blowan Rad UMLE Kasang Congress Namalim constituency Ubaroni V Lingdo Umintri Ubapet Yaka General Administration Urakam E Sangma Ulapentem Begidang Kat South Liga Surok Hakani Jela Kibla Ainam Shikiriu Shemphang Bachikiriu Krau Katakum Kamatma Gandhi Road Don Bosco Road Reverend Nichols Roy Road Sosotham Ukyang Nangba Patugan Sangma Mother Teresa Road Mavis Dun Maulong Martin and Majau Raymond Dingdo Trang Hong Jirangan Archbishop Dominic Jala Ba Dr. Hugh Gordon Robert Road Hadim layo yang ni kejubab UMLA kemilim layang yang berkeranda ke boong maka sorkar di Pynïeng dagi Jingthoh dagi signboard ban Pynïeng bagi dagi Surok kibla ainam syakini Riew Shemphang ba bagi Shlem trekam ru kini Benthoh syai bagi Jakarta trekam jogi kedon hakita ki Surok kibla ainam syakini Riew Shemphang namar bakum bangalong benta kedon tang haka Jingthoh hakakot ba kim don haki signboard ha Surok UMLA All India Trinamool Congress Narong Thamai constituency Pak Charles Pongrum ulong bagadayan penkelai ke Surok pala ai Kyrteng syang Mother Teresa syang Saint Teresa dan bakam day shu ka Mother regla day ka Saint.
Speaker sir, the reply of question number 1 sir. A, sir, yes. B, sir, the names of the street or road that have been named after eminent personalities are as below, sir. So, number 1, Barik Point to Police Bazaar by Secretariat and Deputy Commissioner Office, Mahatma Gandhi Road. Number 2, Police Bazaar Point to Moyong GS Road, Kyrteng Siem Road. Number 3, Loreto Convent Point to Fire Brigade Point by Halaimukula Police Point, Don Bosco Road. Number 4, Loreto Convent Point to Madating by a Pruitt Garden, Shillong Zawai Road, Reverend Nicholas Roy Road. Number 5, Loreto Convent Point to Udu by a Barrick Point, Civil Hospital, Anjali Cinema, Susutam Road. Number 6, Police Bazaar Point to Jail Road, Ukyang Nangba Road. Number 7, sir, Police Bazaar Point to Jail by a MPC bus station, Patogan Sangma Road. Number 8, road behind the Rajbhavan connecting All India Radio and Carmel Bag Road, YMCA, Mother Teresa Road. So, number 9, from UD Point to Makor Community Hall, Mabis Dam Maulong Road. Number 10, Hopkinson Road, Lachumer, Martin and Mazau Road. So, number 11, road from the office of the SP, Skasils, Shillong, leading to Police Headquarters, Shillong, Raymond Dingdu Road. Number 12, Howell Road, 11, TH Rangat Road. Number 13, Long Round Road from TSS Road Junction to FC Godown, Archbishop Dominic Zala Road. Number 14, road from Maukar Community Hall to Zeo Langsning Community Hall, Dr. H. Gordon Robert Road. Number 6, sir, doesn't rest in view be above.
Sir, I'd like to thank the Honorable Minister for giving a exhaustive reply to all the names of the roads that have been named after eminent personalities, some of them from our own state, from the country, and some of them international figures. So I would request the Minister, so some of these roads are still called, for example, we still call Jill Road. When it's been named after such an eminent personality, Ukyang Nongba Road, sir, and you have Mahatma Gandhi, father of the nation, Utirot Singh's aim, sir, a freedom fighter of our state, Don Bosco Road, this personality, sir, this institution has contributed immensely to the state and even to the country. Reverend Nichols Roy Road, sir, now the 6th schedule we owe to this great personality, and Patugan Sangma, Mother Teresa, and all. So I would request the Minister and the government, sir, if they can put up prominent signages in all the roads where these personalities have been named, these roads, from the entry point up to the exit point, sir. Now you see, you go to the national capital, sir. Most of us have been to the national capital. Prominent roads that have been named after prominent personalities, it is displayed prominently, sir. So my request to the Honorable Minister and to the government is these roads should be prominently, the names of these personalities should be prominently displayed, sir. Because, for example, now if you go this Don Bosco Road, this Laidam Main Road has been named Don Bosco Road. But if you look at some of the institutions, the commercial institutions, establishments, they still mention Laidam Main Road. So I think, sir, we're showing disrespect to all these personalities that has been named. For example, so many persons. So this is my request, sir. If it can be prominently displayed, I think that will be, honoring these great personalities that have contributed immensely to the nation, to the state, and to the welfare of all of us. That is also.
Definitely, sir. So, and we have already taken up the matter with the feed, the WD department and the Shillong Municipal Board Department to do the needful, sir.
Sir, yes. In the course of his reply, the Honourable Minister has said that the road behind the Raj Bhavan connecting the All India Radio and Camelback Road at YMCA is called Mother Teresa Road. Yes, it's a fact that Mother Teresa was a well-known person from all over the world. But after her beatification, she has been now announced as a saint. Therefore, this should read Saint Teresa Road, sir. She's no more a mother, she's a saint now. That's my submission for you, sir, if they can correct that.
Speaker, sir. Point noted, sir.
Press over.
To you, Mr. Speaker, in the course of the reply of the Minister in charge, he have categorically stated all the roads that have been named after eminent personalities. But then I would like to know the status of this round road from Maukanro through Maulai Bypass till Mauyong ISBT. Whether that road has been named or not after eminent personalities of the state.
Speaker, sir. So that Maulai Bypass Road on 23rd October 2020 was named as a FS Kazi Road, sir. And so that particular street that has been honorable has raised. So I think I need notice on this, sir.
Yeah. So I would request, because the ministers assured us to have prominent signages in prominent places. Another thing I would urge upon the minister to ensure that institutions, whether commercial or educational, should mention also the name of these personalities, because you'll see some of the signages in the commercial institutional establishments, they still mention, for example, we have this Jill Road, Ukyang Nongba Road, sir. I think nobody knows that. So I would request that all institutions also, whether commercial or establishments, should mention in their signages, in the hoardings also, sir. Yeah, that is my also another request.
Bapastra, your next supplementary question, please.
In fact, that is the minister in charge. That is the particular road that I'm referring from Ring Round Road near Maukanro to ISBT Mauyong, where in fact the minister had stated that it has been named after FS Kaji, but it has not been reflected here. That's why I'm asking. Thank you.
Speaker, sir. The reply has given here just, I think, there are only few, but there are many more number of roads that in and around Shillong, like in Maulai and Laimukra, all that will come up. So they are on different occasions, the government has already renamed up the eminent personality. So, sir, if if needs be, I can give all these government notifications.
Yes, Bakar.
Mr. Speaker, sir, just want to know from the Honourable Minister in charge of education. This in his reply B number 4, I just want a simple clarification. Is it just Reverend Nicholas Roy or Reverend J.J.M. Nicholas Roy? Just clarification.
Speaker, sir, number 4? Number 4, the Reverend Nicholas Roy wrote.
She actually normally is Reverend J.J.M. Nicholas Roy, if I'm not wrong.
You want to say something on that?
So the notification is Reverend Nicholas Roy. Sir.
Yes, but
I think the honourable member means to say that since the name of this prominent person is not only Nicholas Roy, it's JJM, so it would be proper on the part of the government to give a complete name on this.
Point noted, sir.